This is our quick change mount plate. It's printed in onyx using carbon fiber on our Markforged X7. This end tool picks up large shampoo bottles for a major shampoo manufacturer.
We needed something repeatable and reliable as the customer adds and removes products from their SKU.
This is a toolless change out, and you need that geometry really to hold a part steady as you pick it up because of all the mass that's in a shampoo bottle and all the kind of strange shapes that they take. It just makes it really fast for operators to get in a machine, change something out quickly.
So these have been out in the field now for about a year, running 7 days a week, and we have not had any issues. The customer has not had to buy any new or replacement parts, and you can still accomplish 60 picks a minute with a robot. That was a big success for us with the Markforged printer, being able to actually iterate on the fly and keep a happy customer.